So today we're going to explore the math app called Numberline, and this tool is an excellent resource for students needing to be able to manipulate a number line or skip count by a specific number, or show how a number is changed using a number line, so whether you're adding or subtracting. So as you can see, you start with a pretty generic number line. At the top, you can see that you have the ability to kind of jump to a specific number on a number line, or you have a couple of tabs to simply get further along. Down at the bottom is where most of your tools are. So currently, I am on whole numbers, but if you click this little guy down here, you can change to fractions, and you can see all the different fractions that you can count by, which is really nice depending on what you need to see. So you can simply change that. They also have the ability to have decimals, no numbers, which is really nice, or even no tick marks. So, and you can also turn on the ability to show negative numbers, again, which gives you a lot of customization. Here we have the ability to narrow or widen just depending on the scope of your math problem. And then here we have the ability to kind of reveal what a number would be. So almost like a matching or a game-like feature. So those are just a couple of the features. You'll see here that I have a arrow that allows me to jump or count. So if I'm showing addition or subtraction, I can manipulate this to change how many I would like. Currently it's showing the number that I'm jumping, but I can actually take that off or give the ability to write in, which is really nice to have kids kind of generate that themselves. If I drag to the right, it's going to increase. If I drag completely to the left, it'll turn red and it'll show a decrease, again, which gives you kind of that flexibility to set up your number sentences. You'll also see down here that I can kind of have this little sliding guy that highlights a specific number. You can also kind of count using him and kind of duplicate to the next number. So I put him on a half, so now it's counting by halves. You also have the ability to draw or write, so you can actually represent your number sentence and kind of draw it on the background in the back. And then, of course, if you ever want to get rid of something, you can trash can it or kind of take it out. You also have the ability just to completely start over and get to a fresh screen really easily. But lots of ability to customize. Again, it is a great resource for students who need that visual number line or can use it as a resource for adding or subtracting, or again looking at those fractional parts or decimal parts, because it gives you lots of flexibility. So the last thing I will show you is this little eye icon that shows you a little bit about what I've done, and then of course the About tab that gives you some more information about how to use the app. So check out the Numberline app today.